There's a baby bird. He just flew the coop. Oh, there he goes. Look. Good for you. Now he's stuck in the bushes down there. We still have number 2. It's an early morning, but baby bird has definitely flown. Did they say flown the coop? Let's see if he's in there. So we can get a... You in there? He's in here. There he is. See, let's pull that up. See him right there? Good for you, buddy. You did it. I got to see it on camera. That's great. We see you. Yeah, we see you. Man, I can't believe it. What a journey, huh? What a journey. Look at you. I don't know. What is it, 5:30 in the morning? 6? I don't even know. Look at you. Look at you. Now your baby brother or sister has not flown the coop yet. I am so proud of you. Good job. The day after, that's it. See, no school. No school today. School is out and you are out too. You graduated. You graduated. Wait till the kids wake up and see this. Wait till the kids wake up and see this. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations. Welcome to the world. Now, I don't know. Are you just going to take off? I couldn't believe your wings were flapping. Okay. I'm going to go back up and put this on your brother or sisters. Are you going to fly back up to the nest? I know. I can't believe it. You flew. You did it. You did it. I don't know if I call you buddy. What a morning it is. It's a beautiful morning. I don't even know what time it is, but let's go ahead and put this up and wait for his sister or brother. I got a little ladder out here, see? When I put this ladder up, this is how I've been doing it every morning, because it's been so exciting for our family to watch the baby birds grow. And then I get it all set, but usually everybody just sees it all set. Now there's the, let me pull this back a little bit. There's his brother or sister. So what I'm gonna do, just kind of leave this be. Just kind of leave this be. And go make breakfast for everybody on this first day of summer vacation. And I am so glad. I couldn't believe it. I opened the door and I heard flutter, flutter, flutter. And there we go. Let me see. Can you see the bird? Yeah, you can see the bird. All right, there's a baby bird. And I'm going to let this run a bit to see if we can't capture the other bird coming back again. But there is his brother, sister, and that baby bird hatched second, of course. Isn't God amazing? Isn't God absolutely amazing how he's the first one out, first one to fly? But that means you should be flying today. The other baby bird, well, we're proud of you. Everybody enjoy this Ohio sunrise. I can't believe we caught that. That was really cool. Oh, and there's bird poop all over the door. I guess he was scared, but that's okay. We'll clean it up. Good morning, Facebook friends. And Carolyn Brown. That just means you're extra special, Carolyn Brown. We're still waiting on you. I might actually stop this and restart it because I want to make sure I have enough space to keep that baby bird. Now, I'm not sure. His baby bird is still over here. Let's go look. The other one, oops. All right, you're okay. Okay, the other one, sorry, was over here. Let's see if he's still there. No, he's popping around somewhere. I don't know. He's gone. He's gone. Oh, his dad is sad. Okay. Good morning, everybody. I'm going to restart this, but I just want to keep this. But yeah, one baby bird flew. There's the mommy over there. Oh, my goodness. It's something. Okay, I'm going to restart it. Keep this.